what is up? DCS is right back again. This time, it's not a Hot Wheel, it's not a Kinsport, it's not an RC car, it's a track set. It's a Hot Wheels track set. I bought this track set all because of you guys. Thank you all for all your support. I really can't forget that. I really appreciate you guys. So this is the drop down challenge track set, which is seriously awesome. You can see the constructions all about here. It's just molding and fixing. So let's unbox this. With this box I got two cars. I don't know which are they, so let's take a look at it first. The track almost looks something like this. The box is a bit crunched up, but still, who cares? It's the track set which we want to see. So yep guys, first I'm gonna unbox it and show you all the components, and then let's fix it up. Okay, so here it comes. So here it is. This is our track set, the unbox. Like, we gotta fix it up. So yep guys, here are the components. I got two Hot Wheels with it, the 8 track pieces and the clamps and everything, and of course the instruction manual, mostly important, with the diagram of the track set. Well, it particularly looks something like this. You gotta keep the cars right here and then launch it up. So let's see what inside this thing. So yup, you got this stickers and all those track sets. You got 2 into flags. You got these flag pop-ups things, and you got 2 cars. First you gotta place the labels, apply labels. And here's a clamp. You gotta fix it to some kind of a table or something so that the gravity is more and the cars will just automatically pull down, which is actually good. Like, you can test the potential of the car rather than a launcher which just pushes the car. Well, here's how the flag, you gotta keep the flag with the clamp and everything. Okay, so here it is. The track will finally look like this, and you gotta place the cars like this, and then just press that button right there and the car launches off. So this is the Hot Wheels Connect type, so you can connect it to almost any kind of track you want. Like, you can bring another track set and just place it up with this track set, which is a really cool thing. So yep guys, why don't we fix this and I'll come back to you after it's done. So yep guys, we're gonna race these 2 cars right here. First car is the Muscle Ton. Whoa, pretty much nice, awesome car. Can't say much about it. Well, let's see the other car. Well, so look at this. This car is the D Muscle. Nice stripes. Still appreciate customs. They're not so bad though. It's fine. Okay guys, so I'll see you when the track's done. That is, I'm gonna fix up all these things and let's see how the track will look. So here it comes. Oh guys, look at this. This is done. Finally, the track set is built and it looks so cool, guys. Look at that. Oh, the drop looks so much ferocious from there. Oh, that's so cool. And the turns, and I put all the stickers on those tracks, like the flag and everything, and it looks so awesome, guys. I can't wait to race this thing. So yup, you can fix this track in your kind of way. Like, you can fix it crisscross or anything, like, so it just depends. So yup guys, we'll race these 2 cars and the tracks finally look like this, like just like the instruction manual they've shown over here. It's the same, it's exactly the same. It's so awesome, guys. You can place it in any direction you want also, which is kind of cool. So yep guys, let's race these 2 cars right now. Okay guys, so here the D Muscle and the Muscle Ton, they both look so ferocious. The track looks so deep, like wow, I wish I was sitting in that car right there. Oh my god, it looks so realistic. So yep guys, let's begin with this race. 3, in 2, in 1, go! Whoa guys, did you just see that? Guys, that was so freaking fast, like we couldn't even see who won it. So why don't we look at the slow motion replay? That would be so awesome. So yep, let's check it out. Guys, so that race was extremely awesome. Like, they were so fast we couldn't even see it so properly who won. So yup guys, for today's video I could do only this much because I can't do more. For the next week I'll be bringing you new cars. I'll bring back all the Hot Wheels, so it'll be more fun to watch them in slow motion. So yup guys, in today's video that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't worry for the people who wanted the information videos, I'll be making them too. So you know what to do. Just hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and share to all your friends and family. I'll see you all next week guys. Till then, bye.